Max cover.
Hey guys, welcome. This is the first in this series of videos that I'm going to be doing kind of like news style. So let me just get to it. Now, on the week of the much anticipated Buju Banton concert called Long Walk to Freedom, drama has actually surfaced. Buju is about to discover for the first time that life on social media is not an easy road. Yeah, what that's it. I know I'm not talking about the controversial yeah. This drama that I'm talking about, people, involves Buju Banton and a next man. Oh my God! Now wait. This man that I'm talking about is his son called Markus Myrie. No, what's his name? Markus Myrie. He posted this series of posts on his Instagram. Basically, let me just read. One real Markus. Okay. Buju Banton. No, I don't think his son sound like him, but let me just try. So much. How would Buju Banton sound? Buju Banton. So much drama. No, how him son that sound like? I need to get a son voice. Ready? So much drama since December. This man needs to go back to prison and dead. In there at Donald Trump. Why pre? Come for Buju Banton official. Why, this is the worst accent ever. And you know the up thing when it come to prison and out of your 17 children, not even one was genuinely happy that daddy is back. Great artist, yeah, but write me off your list. Parents love and respect and can't understand this a two-way street. But my mother never grew me for take disrespect. You can't talk to me any way you want. Me nah fi itch up round you for nothing. And me nah stretch out my hand to depend on you. And it hurts say you can't get fi take liberty from me down. But blessed is the child that has his own. Oh, and I me a press charges. Okay, and it went on. Yes, so all who did rape me or follow me or deal with me cause of Buju can move along now. Hashtag Markus Records. And yes, people, as if this entire thing could not get any worse, as if the son could not say anything more, he ended it. He ended it by saying, kid. Oh, hell no! Wow. And okay, so information reaching the news team has said that when Buju heard of Markus Myrie's tweets, he actually reacted by saying this. Our Father, who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come on earth, thy will be done on earth. Hallowed be thy name. Like every other Caribbean parent when them fitness start to act up. But in the end, I really hope that they will once again be united because they are father and child, father and son. And at this moment, unity should be embraced. Take care. Okay, let me pretend as if I'm writing. This is the part where I pretend as if I'm taking notes, even though I'm not really doing anything. I'm important. And I'm just going to talk to somebody over there while the camera fades. Yes, so that's what I was thinking. Very good topics coming up on it. Yeah, Yeah.
Max cover.